Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. And history has it that if we made it through last week, we can make it through this week. All we got to do is keep it moving. And before we know it, Friday, the weekend will be here. With that, let's check out these watch faces. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got the top 5 Gear 3 watch faces of the week, which has been a long time coming, but I'm gonna let you know out the gate, you might need to go get your popcorn, your milk and cookies, and your pizza, because this developer threw in the kitchen sink, but he also threw in the living room furniture so far as specs and features are concerned. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Now, the name of the watch face is called 12-hour digital collection 3. Now that's not all the info that you need, but I will put everything you need to know so far as watch faces are concerned in the description box, okay? And this watch face and the Ford that's coming from behind it is affordable. What's affordable? Anything that's going to cost you $1 or less. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started with this review. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. You're going to get all the info that you need to see at a glance, which is pretty cool. I'm liking this look. But when the watch face is on, I do like this color. You can customize this quite a bit, and we're going to run through it. Up at the top, you're going to get info on your calories. You're going to get info on your heart rate right up under there. You get digital time on distance ran or walk. You also get info on your step count, and I like that battery gauge right there. A lot better than I like the meter. Has a really good look with that needle right there. Now, if you come up under it, you will get digital time. It's in silver. I am a fond of that font. Looks pretty good. And right up under the bottom, you're going to get your days of the week. Now, it's going to let you know what day of the week it is by highlighting it in red, which I thought was a good look. It's going to give you digital readout on your calories, digital readout on your battery as well. I like the way those are flanked right on the side of your date info. Gives you the date and your day, right? I thought that was pretty cool. And if you come around the bezel of the watch, you do get shortcuts. And these are all the ones that I think that are essential to a watch face, right? You get weather, you get your phone info, you can tap into your music player if you choose to. Same thing for your text messages and your settings. I thought that was a really good look, right? But what I do like about this watch face is that if I tap right here, and you got to tap precise because it is interactive so far as other features are concerned. So if I tap right there, I can go into it. But if I want to customize the color, let me just double tap right there in the corner. And you can customize this color to whatever you like. It's your choice. And then you can do the same thing with the background, right? Now, if you tap on that battery meter, of course, it's going to take you to the info for battery. But if I tap right there in the corner, double tap, let me double tap, I can customize the background. I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, they got some different, unique, I'm telling you, you got to go through all of them because this guy offers a lot of different color customizations throughout this watch face. Just cycle through all the ones you want to check out, get to your favorite one, land on it, and you're good. Now, I'm going to double tap right here. Check this out, right? Now you can customize the text of this watch face, which I thought was really awesome. I thought the developer did a great job on this watch face. You got to hit me in the comment section below and let me know what you thought of this one. This guy got down. Now, the name of the developers, he goes by the name of WFP. Check out his lineup, you all. And let's check out number 2. Number two is called 12-hour interactive analog digital dial. This is one of my personal favorites. I like this watch face. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be blackened out in the dim mode, but still gives you all the information that you can need to see at a glance. When the watch face is cut on, you got a little bit of color, and I like the design and the look of this watch face. I think it's awesome. A lot of people don't like the digital time along with analog. I do. It works for me. Now, I like that it has the traditional look, partially with the digital look as well, and you get your battery info right in the center. You get your info on calories burned over here. You get your info so far as step activity is concerned as well, and this is an interactive watch face, so if I tap on the battery, I can go in and get my battery info. If I tap on the step info, I can go in and get info on my steps, calories burned, things of that nature. If I tap right here, I could pull up my calendar. If I tap on the PM stamp, I can set an alarm. And this guy leaves you info on where you need to go to tap into all these different information until you get used to it. If I tap on the 9, I could go ahead and get the info on my weather. I'm telling you, this guy is doing his thing. Now, here's one thing I like. If I tap dead center, I can customize the color of this digital time. I thought that was pretty cool. I thought the developer did a great job. You get several colors in all. Just check it out. At the top, if I tap on the 12 or the 2, I can customize the color of the background theme. I thought the developer did a good job. I'm liking this one. My watch face is slow to pull it up, but I'm liking it. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Number 3. Now, number 3 is nice. This one goes out to Kryptonia. She loves digital watch faces. So listen, the name of this watch face is called 12-Hour Digital Collection. Very nice look. And the always on mode is going to be blackened down, but it's also going to be dimmed down for the always on display mode. But when the watch face is on, you get an opportunity to add some color to this. I like the design. I like the look of this watch face and how it displays all your info. So at the top, again, you get 2 gauges, which I'm loving. One represents your battery completed info, and the other one represents how many floors you have climbed. And in the center, you do get a digital readout of the floors climbed and your heart rate as well. If you come up under there, you will get the days of the week, which I thought was pretty cool, and it highlights it in red to let you know what day of the week it is. But hold on, check this out, right? If I double tap on Thursday, it changes the language. Now, I don't know what language that is. Hit me in the comment section below if anybody knows what language this is. I'm going to put it back to what I'm familiar to. Now, right here, you get your date and your month. You also get info on your steps and calories burned right there, and it is interactive. So if you need to go in, you can. You get stack time, which I love. Down at the bottom, you get your battery info. But along with that, I like the fact that it gives you a meter. I'm telling you, I like gauges. Now, right here, as you can see, you have shortcuts. You got your settings. You can go in and send a text message. You got your phone, and you got your weather info. And yeah, they work. It is interactive. You can tap into it to go give more information that you're seeking out of this watch face. So, I like this. A very nice look, but that's not it, right? Check this out. I'm going to double tap right there on the time, and I can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. The developer gives you quite a bit to change to give it the look that you want it to have, whether it be to color coordinate or whether it be that you want to just set it on a favorite. I mean, this one definitely has a lot to offer. Again, it's free, not free. It's worth it in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, I will go check this out as soon as possible. Number 4. Number 4 is called Fossil Grant Silver. Very nice look. Analog watch face with Roman numerals as numbers going around it. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look. Again, this one will be in low energy mode too as well. And when the watch face is cut on, you get a little color to it as well so far as the dials. So you got a couple of dials. You got Roman numerals going around, and you got a blue hand so far as your minute hand and your hour hand. Very nice, different look. I'm liking this one. And then you get a second hand as well, right? Now, they are interactive, so if I tap here, I can get my battery info. And if I tap here, I can get info on my calendar, go in, set an event. If I tap on the middle, I can go into my S Health, get calories burned, step information, whatever it is I'm looking for. So far as my step activity, you still got it here. And there go your date right there. Now, what I do like about this watch face is that if I double tap on the name of the watch face, I can customize the color. I'm telling you, he offers a lot of nice different colors. Nice look. And if you notice, out of all the watch faces that we've shown thus far, you have tons and tons of watch faces to customize to, whether it's a favorite or whether it's to change or customize to what you're wearing for that day. This watch face has a lot to offer. I'm telling you, check this one out as well. Last but not least, number 5. Number 5 is called Multilaguage Breitling Avenger Hurricane. Long name for a watch face, right? But check it out. I like the look. I like the analog look. Very traditional. You got a second hand. And then always on mode. I thought this was really different because, okay, yeah, you get the same look, but the color is different. I think it stands out a lot, which allows you to really see the time in the always on mode really good. And when the watch face is cut on, this is what you got coming with it. Okay, you got an analog look. You got a second hand going around the bezel of the watch. It is interactive, so if you tap on it, you can go get the information that you're seeking out of each dial. And also, if I tap on the top half of this, I can customize, and this is your months, if I'm not mistaken, I can customize the language to this. Now, you really can't see it because it's really, really tiny, but it's there. So now if I tap right here, I can customize the color of the watch face. I thought this was definitely a nice look. Now this one here is probably my favorite. This is a spring look, a watch face for the daytime. You see the dials are black, and I'm telling you, this guy got out on this one. Nice thought, right? But the colors that he also has after that one are very nice, very rich. Colors you can use to tie into whatever it is that you got going on for that day. And I thought the developer definitely did a great job on all these watch faces. So I'm looking to hear your thoughts on what you thought of this and which one was your favorite. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.